Today, we're going to learn Swim by BTS. Now, I'm going to break this up into 4 easy sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. Alright? This video is going to be mirrored. My left is your left, and my right is your right. Let's get into section number 1, okay? So, off the top, you want to step forward on your right leg. You're going to step forward on 1, and then bring your left leg in together on 2. And I'm going to be on a slight angle here, okay? My hands are going to be on my side. Now, in the practice video that I'm seeing them here, or the performance video that I use as a reference, some members are stepping back into this, some members are stepping to this side. We're going to do what the center person is doing, is step forward, okay? So we're going to step forward on 1, 2. On this 2, this is where we're going to take our right hand first to pass by our forehead and make sure your palm is facing the ground, okay? Almost like you're blocking the sun out of your face. And the texture, you kind of rise your chest up a little bit, not too much, just to give it that boom, little texture there, and then we switch it, boom. Okay, so that's gonna happen on this count. We step forward on 1, step in, 2, drag 3, switch 4, drag 5. Then from here, as you come down, you're gonna go 6 with the elbow, stepping out with this left leg, 6, then forward it with the hands, and 7. One more time. So we said stepping forward on that 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice this hand is straight here on that 4. Then we could drag it out. 5. Then we step forward. 6 and 7. Now I'm copying the people in the middle. Some members are going to the side. 6 and 7. Some are going to the other side. 6 and 7. Okay, just remember that count. From here, and 7, we're going to take our hands to go, and 8. And you're just wiping down your arms here, okay? So, and 8, we're going to stop there. Okay, one more time. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, switch 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. All right, so that's going to be section 1 there. Take your time with it. Let's move on to section 2. Now, section 2, after we finish, and 8, we're going to rise up on our body on an angle here. You're going to shoot through your hands, pushing out with your chest, body roll. 1, then you're going to come down on the 2, and your hands are caving into your chest here. You're going to go with a body roll. So 1, body roll, 2, bring your hands down, 3, 4. You're going to accent all those even counts. Listen to it again. 8, we go 1, 2, breathe, 4, 5, okay? So the count there from here, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that 5, you're milking it out still with that body roll. Then you're going to step forward on this 6 here. 6, 7, 8. Now my steps here are going based off of using the space around me, but some members are moving forward, some are moving to the side. For now, we're going to do a step like this. Right, left, right. Almost like a box step, okay? Or you can keep it going right, left, right. As long as you keep that tempo and those legs going at the same time, the right, left, right, you're going to be on the same timing as BTS, okay? So this is from here. We said 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm taking my left hand to swing. The right hand is just beside me. 5. Step back. 6. As I step on this right leg, I use 7, 8. I go down on the 1. Okay? So it's going to go from here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm dragging like I'm looking at something. 8, I land on the 1. Okay? That's again. We said from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I come down on the 1. Now this one here, I'm gonna drag, boom. We're gonna stop there as it's gonna bring us into section 3, okay? So let's connect section 1 and 2 together to make sure we have it. So we said from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yes? And when you get into that 1, you're like stopping in that little texture there, okay? Now that you have section 1 and 2 together, moving on to section 3, we come down on this 1. 1, 2. I'm going to make my hands come in like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I'm doing, I'm letting myself keep dragging down. 1, bring my left hand over, connect it with the right hand. 2, then I keep going down. 3, I look on. 4, like I'm looking at the camera, this is performance points here. Then 5, I roll my hand down. 6, 7, I grab on the 8, 1. Okay, when I come up on the 8, I'm grabbing it to rebound me. 8, then I bring my hands left over right, and I'm just popping into it, 1. But some members just come here, 7, 8, 1. Okay, but we're copying our homies in the middle, all right? One more time. We said from here, 8, come down, 1. Drag 2, 3, look 4, 5, hand 6, like you're pointing. So if you see my hand here, I'm pointing like this, like take my hand from here, and I'm going down. 6, 7, grab 8, okay? So one more time, we're here. 2, 3, look 4, 5, roll 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, right there, that is section 3, okay? So one more time, let's connect it a little bit back here. We're gonna go from the 5, okay? So we went 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step on that right leg, left 7, arm 8, come down 1, 2, 3, look 4, 5, hand 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, that's it right there. Now before we move on to section 4, let's connect sections 1, 2, and 3 together. Nice and slow. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah. All right, now moving on to the last section. From here, 1, we're gonna go 1 and pull that elbow, and 2 is gonna step out, okay? 1 and 2. Now, I see some members, they pass their opposite hand over top, like they're just shooting out, but some members keep their hands over it, okay? Copying our homie in the middle, we're gonna make our hand go over, then we're gonna step out, and then pop up. Okay, one more time. So we said from here, 1, this is gonna be 2, and 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, and 3, 4. And the weight transfer here, it almost feels like you're just prepping back, stepping on that right leg, rocking out just nice and chill, and then rock back onto that right. So it's like you're going right, left, right. That weight transfer. One more time. So we said from here, 8, 1, and 2, rock, 3, 4. 4, and then from here, you have your walks to go off, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Depending on how you're moving or which person you want to follow, you can either perform in the middle, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 with your own vibe, or you can copy the walk that you do to get into their next position. All right, that's gonna bring you to the end of the dance. Nice and chill, but super, super saucy, all right? Let's connect sections 1, 2, 3, and 4 very slow, and then we'll try it tempo all together, okay? Here we go, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, head 4, 5, hand 6, grab 7, 8, 1. Section 4, 2, 3, 4, freestyle, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah? Okay, let's try it straight through, no stopping. I feel like you got this now, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, walk 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah? Alright, now time to try with the music over here with the mirrored version, or YouTube thinks you'll like this video next. Alright, thank you guys for being here and keep requesting these tutorials for future videos. Peace. Swim. Swim.